Alright, I'll show you a video how you can jumpstart power supply. Say you want to do a job, like in this case I'm going to do data recovery on this IDE drive. I haven't got anything to power that, so I'm going to connect this power supply. But how do I jumpstart? So you can use a pin. Um, so you can short two pins out and it will automatically turn it on. So this one has an on and off switch. So make sure you've got nothing hooked up to it. Put it in the off position and use a paper clip like this, similar. Um, you'll need to cut it off, or you may not need to. So simply make sure they're the same length, cut it, and then, so looking at your power supply motherboard ATX cable, so make sure the pins are facing you. Colors are all the same always. So from the top level, not the first three, but the fourth and the fifth, just join them together, just like that. So I'm going to try and secure this. There we go. As you can see, that's pin number 4 and 5 joined together. And if I remember learning that when you power up a power supply, never have it powered on with nothing connected. So at least have something connected. So I've just hooked up a 2.5-inch hard drive, just plugged in there. So we should hear it spinning and turning on. I don't know the history of this power supply. Hopefully it won't blow up. Let's see what happens when I press the power button. Fan is spinning. Hard drive is turned on. So there you go. That's how you know. That's how you can power up a power supply. And to confirm, so I've got here a 4-pin Molex. So black and black. I'm in DC mode. Hopefully it won't explode. I'm getting 5 volts, as you can see. Sorry, 5 volts. Yeah, so this is all good. Happy days. So we can power off the unit. Thank you for watching.